The Soul S-Nano. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at the Soul S-Nano True Wireless Earbuds. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide, USB-C charging cable, small, medium, large ear tips, and a carabiner. The S-Nano features 5.5 hours of listening time, 24 hours with the case, uses Bluetooth 5.0, AAC SBC codec, touch controls, transparency mode, USB-C for charging, and it's IPX5 water resistant. This also comes in 6 colors: black, blue, coral, mint, yellow, and frost. The case has a cube-shaped design to it, and probably one of the smallest that I've reviewed. It has a matte finish all around, and on the top you have the Soul logo. On the right side you have the loop for the carabiner. On the front you have the Soul branding. Taking a look at the back, you'll find the USB-C charge port and the status LED. The lid is magnetic and has a snappy feel to it when opening and closing. Earbuds are easy to grip and remove from the case, and you can see the ear markings inside. The earbuds are very small in size with a simple design. It has a matte finish all around, and the inner face has the ear indicator. The outer face has a logo along with the surface for the touch control. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, charging contacts, LED, touch control, and a microphone. Here they are side by side. Touch controls are straightforward, a few taps to get the desired function. The case comes in at 1.5 by 1.5 by 1.1 inches. It weighs in at 24 grams, and the earbuds come in at 7 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Soul S-Nano microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. I found the microphone quality to be fair. Other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the S-Nano. They were easy to put on, and it does require a slight twist down to get them seated properly. There's good passive noise isolation and it has a secure fit, but you will feel some pressure in your ear canals after an extended period of time. The touch controls help in alleviating additional pressure. Build-in quality is decent. The case is extremely small and compact. It feels durable along with the earbuds. The earbuds don't protrude out once seated in your ears, and the touch controls were responsive. They weren't overly sensitive. Battery life is fair, coming in at 5.5 hours and 24 with the case, especially for its small design. I would have liked to seen a better IPX rating. Now when it comes to sound, I didn't really know what to expect for its small size. It definitely surprised me. The bass is very pronounced, tight and punchy, and it doesn't overwhelm. Definitely not lacking at all either. Mids and highs came in clean and clear, and I felt there was good separation and depth. It was an energetic sounding experience. The transparency feature worked well and was able to pick up the surroundings when activated. Overall, these are a solid pair. Very compact in design and portable, and the sounds will not disappoint. So that is my review of the Soul S-Nano True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.